What it do, what it do? Got a new little project going on right now. 1979 Chevy Malibu, two-door. Malibu Classic, Malibu SS, however you want to call it. Nah, they're really two different cars, but it's gonna be an SS. But I'm gonna show y'all a little walk around of what it is. I got this car out of Shreveport. I think it was original Texas car, something like that. But I'm gonna give y'all a little walk around there real quick. Get this bitch down. I'm dropping low. Drop this mofo to the floor. Man, we got a straight body on it. Trim bent. Quarter panel ain't hit though. A little slight rust. That ain't nothing. Bumpers coming off. Got new roll pans for it. Trunk pan good. Some little tail lights. You know, get some new flow pans welded in. Shit, get this bitch sandblasted and stuff. I took all the interior and stuff out of it. All that little brittle crap. Stuff ain't no good. I'm doing probably some new school interior or something. Got a few little rust holes in there. I mean, it's a solid car, you know what I'm saying, except for the little holes right there. Right there, you know what I'm saying. Gonna redo the flow pans and stuff, like I say. Dash. Yeah. Overall, it's a pretty straight car. Bro say he had a 3 stroker, man. I don't know. Everybody said they got a stroker motor. Let me take this shit out right there. Got the bezels for it. New suspension, QA1 everything, you and my performance. Never buy a car at nighttime. Straight though. He told me he really had no rust in it, no rust on it. Which the car had carpet and all that stuff, and you really couldn't tell nothing from the bottom of it. I had my flashlights and all that stuff. I couldn't even tell there was no rust. You know what I'm saying? Once I had seen from the bottom and the inside when I popped the trunk, I was like, damn, ain't no rust up in there. So shit, you might be telling the truth. You know what I'm saying? And the only thing I did see was just that little spot right there. I was like, I ain't gonna take the window out, grind it down. Body filler, all that stuff. Smooth it out. New hood. Probably do me a bubble hood or something. Like a Caprice hood, a bubble cow hood. Somebody gonna do the interior. I don't know who though. Took my shit out of state. Motherfuckers Arkansas don't know how to do you right. Body A1. It's crazy. Body straight as an arrow. Let me know if you see a dent. Might see a little ping, but you don't see no dent. Don't be no waves in this one. Block the shit out of it. But like I said, I'm gonna take it to the blaster, man. And try to get some of that surface rust that you see right there. All this stuff right here, just like surface rust. And this stuff right here, you gotta get cut out. Probably gonna get cut out around up and down, you know, the good stiff parts. I'm gonna try to get it blasted first, and then I know where I'm at as far as cutting and stuff. Try to save as much metal as possible. Try to take them braces out right here. They run across some seat braces, body braces. You don't know hard work. Yeah, this is it. Project 79, boo. It's your boy Running the Hellcat. I'm signing out. Oh boy.